I leave the truck for 1 minute, and they're already trying to get in it. Flea bitten. That's what I meant to say what Possum's coloring was earlier. He's flea bitten gray. Left to right, Calypso, Remy, Possum, Bella. Actually, that was right to left. I totally did that backwards. Oh my gosh, I'm good at that. And then Ray, the dirty pond scum dog, who just lives to get in the pond. And boss the horses around. Give me your paws. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, we got a big old horsefly. These things, I don't know about you guys. Did you guys get these big old boogers where you're at? I popped their little heads off with that wee little nippers. Can't see it. They're not going to be biting anybody. See you later, you pest. Don't get my loveys getting all eat up. Do I, Ram? I wish you wouldn't tear your fly mask off. You'd be all covered. I know. You are a hog for attention. Oh, yes, he is. Oh, you boys and girls. Calypso. Calypso. She was a red varnish, I think they call it, Appaloosa, when she's born. She really changed. Whoops. Trip on a root and fall down. Oh, what easy. We don't need to fight. I got plenty of loves. Plenty of loves. Alright, guys. Enough.